Welcome to my channel once again. In this video, we are going to discuss Arichain latest update as well as Ruby network KYC verification update. Okay, with no doubt the verification is ongoing, and as you can see right here, a lot of people are still having problem, which is a problem of receiving invitation from KYC 1.5. However, Ruby network official have released an announcement today. You can see right here the news was released about 18 hours ago. It says early week update, KYC verification is here again. The Ruby team is rolling out more hands for the KYC verification process. Information regarding recruitment of validators will be shared very soon, which is people that will be validated for the airdrop. And it finally says keep your eyes and attention here as not to miss important details. Okay, and if you look down a little bit, it says that Ruby is on a verge of making history. Be part of it. So on the verge of making history means that they are about to list, and the listing process will start very soon. Okay, so guys, the problem here is that from the statement made here, which says that the Ruby team is rolling out more hands for the KYC verification. By this time now, people that have not received invitation from KYC 1.5 should be able to receive the invitation from there now, because this is the news released by them, because according to their news, they are already in the process of KYC rolling again, and they have started sending invitation to people so that they can complete their KYC. A lot of people have completed stage 1, stage 2, but the stage 3, which is receive invitation from KYC 1.5, majority have not gotten that. And from their news, everything is in progress now. Okay, so what you need to do is this: if you are here and you have not received your invitation 1.5 yet, what you are going to do is very simple. You are going to come over to the home of the app, then you are going to click on this, which is 3 lines at the bottom of the screen. Then you are going to see Ruby team here. So come over to the Ruby team, which it will redirect you to their official team website. And what you are going to do when you are here is very simple. You are going to click on these 3 lines here. Then you are going to come over to this particular place, which is contact. Okay, so you click on this contact, and here you'll be able to send a message to the Ruby. Okay, they have email here, which is their email. They have you enter your full name here, you enter your email title, then you write the content. Okay, you write the content in detail. If you don't understand, you can go and construct it using AI so that it can give you a quality complete, so that you can send to them. Okay, so after sending to them, all right guys, after sending it to them, they are going to send you a feedback which contains your KYC verification process, and by this time you'll be able to pass the final one, which is a KYC 1.5. okay, so that is it for now in Ruby network. And guys, concerning about Arichain Wallet, as of the moment, the KYC verification, as stated in their last news, it is going to come soon. Okay, and by that time, not everybody will be able to receive it. People that will receive the KYC verification are people that meet up with the eligibility criteria. And what are the eligibility criteria? Number 1 of them is to ensure to complete almost all the tasks given to you. We have daily task, we have daily check-in, and also we have the other one, which is collabs. Okay, and also if we click on collabs, we also see a lot of tasks that are available there. It is important you complete those one. That is eligibility criteria number 1. And eligibility criteria number 2 is this: you must make sure to give them certain amount of referrals. Okay, giving them referrals will not only make you qualify, but it will also boost your earning, because most of the airdrops depends on the number of referrals given nowadays. Okay, and it is important to be active on the airdrop. That is the eligibility criteria number 3, such as coming and checking in the airdrop daily and claim the daily check-in, performing social tasks every day. And when there was quiz, it is important to complete the quiz every day. But as of the moment, they have removed the quiz, which is their preparation towards the TGE and listing. Okay, so guys, that's it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.